Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to start your own online store with Shopify step by step. If you're a beginner, don't worry, this guide is simple, quick, and by the end you will know exactly how to launch your first store. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, if you're new in Shopify, you will get to see something like this here actually. So here you will get something like this. So first head over to the shopify.com and click start for free, and once you click over here in 2025 Shopify will give you 3-day free trial when you create an account, sometimes even longer with special deals. Create your account by adding your email, password, and store name. Next, answer a few quick questions like what you are planning to sell, and if you are beginner, Shopify use this info to recommend the best setup for you. Super helpful if you're just starting out. Once you're done, then you just need to come over that place, and here you just need to pick your theme. Like let's pick a theme and head over online store. You just need to go to the theme. Shopify has tons of free and paid theme. Here actually you can see it. Just click this theme store, and once you come over here you will able to see free and paid theme. So from that place you just need to pick one of them which fits your brand. Once you're done, like you already pick your theme, you just need to be customize. We will go with the dawn theme because it's the lightweight theme and it flows so much smoothly. That's why I will choose this one. Just click to the customize, and to open and drag and drop editor for you. Here you can edit your home page, add a logo, change colors, and make it truly yours. No coding actually needed, just click and drag and update. And I hope you understand how easy the interface is. You can easily do it. Once you did, now you just need to add your products. Just come over that place, add products option, and from that place you will find a button called add product. Just click over here. Once you click over here, you will enter your product name, descriptions, price, and upload clear high quality photos. Don't forget to set inventory numbers and shipping details. Let me give you a pro tip. Write detailed product description. It helps customers to and boost SEO. Once you did, you just need to set up your payments. How you can do it? You just need to go to the setting and then click to the payments and choose Shopify payments options for you. You will get to see other payment gateway to use. Here you just need to search your payment method, like I'm searching PayPal, and here actually you will get to see the PayPal. You just need to click over here and then install this one in your website. This way you can set up your payments. And then Shopify payments is the easiest one. No transaction fee actually needed, so you can go with the Shopify payments also. Next, you just need to set up your shipping and delivery. That's for reason you just need to go over here and then add your shipping zone, rates, or contact carries for real-time shipping cost. And once you did all the thing correctly, then just preview your website and you almost there. Click your store setting, make sure your text, legal pages, and contact info are filled out, and then just preview your store. Let's test your checkout, and when you are ready, pick a plan and remove password, paste to go live, and hit the publish button, and your online business is officially open for the world to see. And that's it, your quick Shopify tutorial for 2025. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.